Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be reviewing this wax from GIGI and I got it from Sally's. They recommended this wax to me. I told them I need to wax my legs, so they told me this is the best wax they have, and I got the entire kit. It came with the spatula, it came with the oil and a cleanser, then you have a wax of oil and something to slow down the growth of your hair. So this is like complete set, and she told me it's like for beginners at home kind of kit, and it's like stripless wax, so you do not need any strips with this. So I was excited about this idea. For a long time now I have been using regular sugar wax, so I wanted to try it out, and I started to melt this in my oven, like in my microwave, and they said like you have to warm it for like 30 seconds, but honestly guys, it took me around 3 minutes to like melt it completely. I'll show all the clips. I did it like in succession of 30 seconds, and you can see it's as hard as rock. And finally when I got it melted, this thing happened. It burned my fingers so bad. I mean, but still I had motivation to complete this video, and I returned back. That was the wax I was using, and that's how I applied it. So I don't think I did any mistake, because I have been waxing my legs from long time now, so I consider myself a pro, but this was like first time me using a stripless wax because I was feeling fancy. So yeah, so I tried this wax and you'll see it's a fail. It was too much pain. It was supposed to be painless, but I think it was more painful than my regular wax, because it was breaking. Because when I was trying to pull it out, it wasn't getting out in one go. Like you see here, it'll come out in like small sections, and then you can see wax there. It's like it lifted. It's not even grabbing onto the hair or skin, so it didn't pull anything underneath. It was with like very little hair it was able to pull out, and it was so annoying to get it out in pieces, and it was very messy than the regular wax. So here you see there are just few hair. So here again I wanted to show you more. So you see it's still breaking. It's not coming off as they show you in commercials or like other promotional videos. No, it's not like that. It's like very messy, and this was the best they had. So I'm not very impressed with this wax. I'll go back to my regular sugar wax, and this is the mess it created. So that was all for this video guys. You enjoy your day. I'll catch you in my next video.